Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Netflix app on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the Netflix app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, simply search for Netflix Microsoft Store. And then open the official Microsoft Store page for Netflix from the search results. Once you're on the Microsoft Store page, simply click the Install button. And once you're in the Microsoft Store, click the Get button to install the app. And once it's done, click Open to launch the app for the first time. If you want quicker access to Netflix, I also recommend creating a desktop shortcut. So just check this desktop shortcut option right here to add it to your home screen. And that's it. You'll now have a Netflix shortcut on your desktop, making it much easier to launch the app whenever you want. Now, simply sign in with your Netflix account. If you don't have one yet, you'll first need to create a Netflix account before you can start watching. And that's it, guys. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Netflix app on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.